Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be hair color review. I actually just yesterday tried this new L'Oreal Paris Excellence Cool Creme box hair dye, and you guys told me that from all the hair colors that I've tried, L'Oreal Excellence Creme 7.11 was the best one that suits me the best, that suits me the most. I always get comments like this saying that was the most flattering color on you, but I only used it once because then I started coloring my hair, experimenting with other colors. So I decided I will try something from that range again, but like updated version of that color 7.11, which is ultra ash blonde, and this new formula is anti-brassiness, so it's for like cool blondes. Obviously this cool blonde technology was super appealing to me. It's something that I really wanted to try out because I really hate when blonde color gets brassy, or when you're trying to get that like neutral blonde shade and then it gets a bit orange. So that really bugs me if it has red hues under a certain lighting, but it's something that's very difficult to obtain, just like this very cool neutral blonde. I realized that when I'm using it on my roots, it's always with a bit of reddish hues under a certain lighting, whereas if I am coloring my hair on the hair that's been already colored, so for example if I have highlights and then I put this shade, then it will get to this color here. So I think the base is very important, you know what you're starting with, what you're working with. So this is obviously such a beautiful color, but I wasn't expecting to get this color. I really just wanted to freshen up my roots, to maintain them a bit darker, with the rest of my hair a bit lighter, just so I can get this more natural look, and this is what I like these days. And also I had to color my hair because I was getting gray hair, which really bugged me, so I just wanted to cover grays. And here it says 100% gray coverage, well, up to 100% gray coverage, and I can say that I'm really disappointed when it comes to gray coverage, because I still have some gray hair, especially if I part my hair like this on this side. I still have quite a bit of gray hair, actually quite visible. So I don't think this product is good if you have a lot of gray hair, because I don't think it will cover it. Yeah, in my personal experience, and I kept it on my hair for like 40 minutes, something like that. They recommend even less than that. They recommend like 30 minutes, 20 minutes for the roots, and then 10 minutes for the rest of your hair if you want to put it on the rest of your hair. So it's like 30 minutes total, but I think I kept it on my hair for like 40 minutes and still it did not cover my grays as well as I would have expected it to. So I guess they will be even more visible after second and third wash. Anyway, I'm going to show you what was in the box. And this time I did not film the entire coloring process, just because here on my channel you already have so many hair color reviews, and I basically always show you how I color my hair, so it's nothing new. But what I usually use is, before coloring my hair, I will protect my hair with some sort of protection spray, and I'm using this by Ken. It's Care Vital Nutrition Protein Spray. So here is how it looks like, and it's really good product. I've had it for a while now, and I think it was recommended by a hairdresser to me. Just a little tip before coloring my hair, to just spray this on my entire hair, so it will protect it, and I really find it works really well. Then I always use my tangle teaser, because I want my hair to be just, you know, tangle free without any knots, so it's easy for me to just, you know, comb it and section it. And then I use this brush for coloring your hair. You can get it anywhere in local drugstore, hair supply store, whatever. It's very cheap, and I think I should get a replacement because it's a little bit battered, as you can see, but it still works well. I never use gloves, yeah, because it's just easier for me. So basically this is the result, because I colored my hair yesterday, so you can see like first-hand the result. I did not put it on my lengths, just on my roots, and I think it's obviously a bit darker than it looks on the box. Maybe this part here, yeah, this corresponds to the photo, but as I've said, I did not put it on my length. I had very blonde hair with lots of highlights, but then I started using these neutral, like natural ash blonde color, and sometimes I would put it a little bit on my length as well, so this part here turned a bit darker too. Yeah, so this is the result. I'm really loving this natural look on me these days, and what I can say about it is that it's very nice, like mild product. It did not like burn my scalp or anything like that. It has a gentle fragrance. It's not overpowering or anything like that. So overall it was easy, very easy to color my hair at home with this product. Inside you will get a little version of purple shampoo and conditioner, like a hair mask. Shampoo will last you for only one usage, so I ran out of the shampoo completely, whereas I still do have quite a bit of a hair mask, so I will keep using it in the next couple of washes. I believe maybe it will last me for other 2 applications, I believe, and I think it did help in kind of removing the brassiness and keeping my hair a bit more cool toned, but again, under certain artificial lighting, it's not like super cool matte natural blonde. It always has a little bit of hue, you know what I mean. So I don't know, I mean, I am, you know, content with this product. Would I repurchase it? I don't think so, just because it did not cover my gray hair 100%, so I'm worried that in a couple of weeks I will have the same problem again. So I just wanted to mention, if you don't have any gray hair and if you are looking for a very good, like natural, easy to use blonde color, this is very good product. But if you have a lot of gray hair, you should use something different, and obviously always look at the color chart here. So if you have very dark hair, you can't really expect this to lighten your hair to this shade here. As I've said, when I had very blonde hair on my roots, and then if I put something similar on my roots, I would get this shade here. But if I'm working with something darker, it will never be this color here. So you always have to be careful of what you're working with, what you're starting with, what is your base color. So what I wanted to say is that if you're working with darker color and you wanted to go in a shade or 2 lighter, I'm not really sure that this will completely neutralize possible brassiness or reddish hues, whereas obviously if you have light color and then you're going a shade darker, a shade or 2 darker, this will turn out just beautiful dark natural blonde. So it all depends on your hair color, on your base hair color, and obviously on the condition of your hair. Do you have gray hair, etc, etc. Okay guys, so that was the review. I hope it was helpful. Let me know, have you tried this particular shade already, and how did you like it? How did it turn out on your hair? I think it will be also helpful for other people watching this video to read your comments and your experiences with this product. I saw that L'Oreal has come up with neutral blondes, I believe. It's like a new range that I would like to try out maybe next month. So yeah, let me know if you have any recommendation for a very good dark natural blonde hair color. I would love to try it out. For now, I'm keeping this darker blonde look, so we will see in the future if I decide to go blonder, but I don't think so. You never know, you never know. It all depends on my mood, I guess, but my plan for the future is just to keep my roots darker blonde, and then if my lengths get too dark, add a little bit of highlights at hairdresser salon. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please press thumbs up and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye!